Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Today we're going to be opening up two more old 5 packs. We got a Showbiz. Looks like it's from 1998. Got a HW Flames. Looks like it's from 2015. Let's take them out. It's got one of them good packs. Opens up like that. I guess they got cheaper in the newer years here. Anyway, we'll start off with the Showbiz. Not exactly sure what kind of car this is. Really don't say on the box. Don't say on the bottom. So it looks like some kind of Rolls Royce, I reckon. But anyway, that's one. It's like some kind of big old 6 door, whatever Cadillac. It's just a party car. And that looks like some type of Ford Mercury or something. Not sure. Hot Wheels Reels is what it says. Then we got some type of, I don't know, Porsche, Alfa Romeo, or something. Anybody know what this is? Guess I could have looked it up. See the symbol on there. But I do know what this is, and it's a Cobra. But anyway, that's the Showbiz 5 pack. Over here we got the HW Flames. Looks like we got a Chrysler Pronto. Well, that's Chrysler Pronto. Looks like we got a 69 Copo Vet. Well, that's 69 Copo Vet. Looks like we got a Dodge Viper RT10. Well, that's the Dodge Viper RT10. And we got a 68 El Camino. Pretty orange with some black flames. Gold looking wheels. Not a bad looking El Camino. But anyway, that's the El Camino. And you got one of my favorites. That's 62 Chevy custom pickup. I just like these trucks. Anyway, that's the HW Flames. Hope you enjoyed. Come back and check out the next video, please. Next one will be on, I think, my last two out of the old crate 5-packs that I got. Check them out. Please subscribe. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. And we'll see you soon. Bye.